Hi guys, so I'm Justina from Justina Small Photography, and today I'll be talking about manipulation. What is it? Usually these manipulated pictures are done on Photoshop when two or more layers are merged together into one fantastic looking piece. So today what I was doing actually already, I was literally taking like stuff like that, loads of different leaves with all the spiders in them, of course, because it's more fun like that, and throwing them in the air. Well, I mean, it sounds like fun. However, imagine how many times I have to do it to achieve my wanted results. I mean, first of all, I'm not alone in this park, and all the people are staring at me like I would be some very crazy woman. So basically, what do you have to do if you want to start manipulation? Well, first of all, it's best if you have a tripod. So tripod is the first thing. Without a tripod, it will be... That's a music group. They're playing music. Actually, that's not bad music. Maybe I should join them. Guys, why this spot? Don't you see there's like a super professional war going on here? Guys, go away. Oh no, they're putting the picnic blankets. Okay, so that's it then. Okay guys, I think I'll have to transfer the whole manipulation thing to my home.
Oh, finally. So we can continue on the tutorial. So what things do you need for the manipulation art? So first of all, it's tripod or a stable surface for your camera, because the background shouldn't move, because otherwise it's gonna be very hard for you to Photoshop it later. Second thing is, you have to be aware if you're working alone on this, and if you don't have a remote control, you're gonna have only 10 seconds or 12 seconds for making your picture. Basically, your camera is on a tripod, you click the button and you have 10 seconds to run to the spot and pose or do whatever you want to do. So think about this before actually taking pictures. The third thing is, you have to make sure that batteries are well charged, or you even have some extra ones, because it will take some time till you make all the necessary images for your perfect shot. So the fourth thing is, you have to dress according to the topic you chose. For example, today I was dressed in the nice yellow jacket, which is autumn-like, and I was wearing also these nice valleys, which are perfect for autumn pictures. So basically what I'm saying, you really need to dress according to the necessary topic to represent the picture better. So the fifth thing would be, think of any props you could use. Maybe it's an umbrella, which I actually forgot today, or maybe it is a string. For example, I had a nice natural string and I thought maybe I should put some leaves on it. That's what I did actually, and I thought I might do some creative pictures out of this. Basically anything really, just look around your room and anything what could help to increase this creativity process, you should just grab it with you and then think on the spot what you could do with it. So you got back home all tired, you open these pictures, there's many of them, and what do you do next? Well, you have to edit the pictures, of course. So open your Photoshop or any other editing program and go along with me. So I took these pictures of me in different positions, in different poses, just for you to see how I merge layers together to create this manipulation art. Basically what you see here is different pictures of me in the same background, which is not moving. I'm just opening them all, maybe increasing the brightness, shadows, clarity. It's super quick, as it's not editing workshop, and I really want just to show you the basics of what you can do with this. I won't spend too much time on this. So where do we start? We have all these images, right? Where do we start? So first of all, let's say this is the base picture. What I mean by that, we are gonna copy all these images on top of this one. Let's go to this one. And what I'm doing is just by clicking Ctrl A, selecting it all, and then Ctrl C to copy, right?
and then going to the base image and then clicking Ctrl V to paste on top of this base image, right? So select the image you pasted on the basis image, okay? Simply take an eraser tool, which is marked like that, right? Select the size to quite a big one, and then opacity is 100. And what you do is just delete the background of the image you pasted on. And what it does, it deletes it and it uncovers the basis image. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. I was really happy this day. I mean, look at me. I'm so happy. So next to the pasted image, be very careful, because what you accidentally can do is this. And we don't want to do that. Yes, yes. Okay. So the next ones I'll try to do even quicker. So first of all, actually, let's save this as a Photoshop file. In case, I don't know, your computer crashes down so you can recover it. Okay, so let's paste another one then. Okay, the same thing. Now take the large brush, increase maybe the hardness, and just with eraser tool do the same thing as before. Doesn't look too bad, right? Okay, so there's 3 me's. Oh, I know. Let's put in the creepy one. Let's go to the creepy one. I really like that one. Okay, this is so creepy. Okay, the same thing. I'm just using the brush to erase. Okay, be careful here because I see its hardness on half. It means it's kind of making it blurry on the side, so you can accidentally delete it. So maybe make the brush a bit smaller and be very careful. Oh my god, that's so creepy! I so much wanted to do a creepy picture and I think I kind of succeeded. It's almost Halloween-like. Like, I'm glad this whole background is pretty, how to say, noisy, but it doesn't have to be too accurate, right? So it's not like some specific pattern on the wall. So you can do mistakes and not everyone at least will notice. So what do I do now? Oh, I actually don't know, guys. Just zoom in more and be very careful. Okay. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's fine. What I'll do before merging, I'll save the Photoshop file, right? So I can go back to that. So apply some colors, maybe you make it a bit more interesting, more autumn-like. Let's see, it will do for now, right? Yes, from 5 different images, we got this one wonderful image with me creeping out in the background and me enjoying the autumn. So, oh, actually I forgot to add one image in the corner. However, let me check. Can I actually quickly edit? Not sure. Yeah, it's not art, I know. Well, it is kind of art. Nothing too fancy though. However, it's still pretty fun, especially if you do it actually with some specific idea, you know. I'm not sure is it better like that or that, so what I'll do, I'll just again, I'll maybe make a copy of this JPEG file, and then I'll make a copy of this JPEG file. So let's see. So we have 1 and we have 2. Justina enjoying autumn. Yay!
So if you see, this is just very easy to do, and obviously this one was without any idea behind. You should probably spend more time thinking what you would like to show to people, what story is behind. Obviously then it would be much more interesting and a bit more complicated to achieve. However, the point is to create something beautiful, right? So Just take more time on this, experiment, and please send me the results. I would love to share your work with others on my YouTube channel and my page. So thanks for watching, guys, and if you like this, just give it a like. If you'd like to see more videos in the future, just subscribe to this channel. Thanks and bye now.
I think there's like 20 people coming right now, and I'm talking to myself. It's not weird at all. So I'll pretend like I'm chilling in front of a camera, and I hope you guys listen. What else? Yeah, I think you don't really... Oh, something's... Jesus. It's dangerous in the parks. Guys, take a helmet and something as well. There's one guy peeing in the bushes. I got this park. I'm not so sure about it anymore. Oh my god. So what happened to me? I was recording this video and there's this guy coming to me from far away from the bushes, and he's waving and he's like asking, are you speaking English? I'm like, and he's, yeah, okay. And then what he says to me is like, I'm doing this meditation and you know, I need some stone or like a person or something who would sit on my back while I'm doing my meditation. I'm like super freaked out. And he's like, yeah, it's very simple. You don't need to sit on me all the time. You can do your things, I can do my things. You just sometimes come to me and sit on me. You know, just sitting things. Guess who I'm sitting on now? No, I'm on the picnic mat, Anyway, that was a very creepy experience. So I think next time I'm coming to the park a bit earlier because now the sun is down and all the creeps are out. That's actually very, very creepy. And there's somebody else standing in the bushes and I should probably go. I mean, that's a bit really creepy things going on. Okay, today is a very funny day. Actually, it's first time I'm filming outside and it's just very funny. Things are falling, people are going through the bushes and I don't know, it's just funny. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and bye.